Hello and welcome to a visual walkthrough of our ML Playground. So this whole center frame, this is the algorithm frame, so you can see what's going on with the current ML algorithms right now. It's on the k-nearest neighbors one, and you can toggle between which one you want to do stuff with this one over here. So right now we've got k-nearest neighbors and a basic fully connected feed-forward neural network. So that lets you switch between those. The general idea of this framework is we provide a environment that's not so simple it's boring, but also not so complex that you easily get lost. So the classification problem that all of this is trying to do is digit recognition with digits that have been made in this little digit drawer. There's like 150 to 200 digits that we have like this so far, and as one is using this ML Playground, they can add to that data set and then also make their own instances of a digit and try to classify those. So the digit drawer over here, it's pretty simple. You can clear, you can draw whatever you want to draw. If you want to add this, if you want to label this and add it to the data set, that's what these are for. So this is a 2. I'm going to add that. You could add a 6, add whatever you want to, and you can just draw, you can clear, and these are what the different algorithms are going to be trying to classify. Now over here is information about the data. So there is a working set, and then there is all of your data. The working set is the subset of the data that you're currently using to train your algorithm on, or to do cross-validation with. Right now we just have a few simple settings, so you can clear the working set, so you can start over from scratch, and then you'll notice that if you add a new data point, then it shows up. This is a reflection of your working set. So if I say add all data, you can see, okay, we've got 25 instances of 0s, 21 instances of 7s, and so on and so forth. So you can either have it cleared and start over. This is really nifty for watching k-nearest neighbors learn as you go. So obviously if you just have a few, so like only like a 1, 2, and a 3, one of each, then it's not going to do super good, but it's interesting to watch how it learns. Also in the k-nearest neighbors control, you can see over here is controlling the k, so we'll put the k down to 3. You can't go below 1, you can go up to as many as you want. So that was the controls for k-nearest neighbors. This is determining which data to use. This is for drawing digits. Over here are the testing and training controls. So let's say I draw something and I want to make it straighter. I want to test or run my algorithm and try to classify the current digit. That's what this does. And so right now, you notice because this says not trained, you have to train your algorithm on the working set. So doing that, boom, you're trained. Now that just gives the k-nearest neighbor everything in your working set. So right now we've trained it. Let's see what happens if we test on a single. So right now it's using 3 neighbors. You only got 3 instances.